Hi everyone, have you ever wondered how Immersity AI creates stunning 3D animations from regular 2D images? Today I'll show you exactly how to use this tool to transform your photos into awesome 3D animation in just a few clicks. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Immersity. Then, once on the website, sign up for a free account or log in if you already have one. After logging in, you'll see the main interface where you can start uploading your media. Now let's upload your first file. The Immersity AI supports images like JPEG, PNG, and WebP, and videos like MP4, MKV, and MOV. To upload, click Upload or simply drag and drop your media. Wait for a few seconds while the Immersity AI processes your file. And once done, your 2D image automatically converted into 3D animation. Now that we have a 3D animation, let's export it. Click on the export button at the top right corner and you'll see different formats. The MP4 3D emotion that best for videos and immersive effects, the GIF 3D motion great for looping animations, and the PNG depth map perfect for 3D modeling and editing. For this tutorial, you'll select the MP4 3D motion and click Next to proceed. Now you'll see different export sizes. Free export the 720p with watermark. Watch an ad to unlock it. Then plus export, it removes watermark but it allows commercial use. And the premium export for the highest resolution but cost more credits. And once you selected your export settings, click download and your animation is ready. And want to tweak your animation for better result? Here's how. On the right side of the screen, you'll find various settings. Animation style, choose between loops, reverse, or custom motion. The amount of motion, you can adjust motion intensity. The animation length, you can set up to 10 seconds for longer scenes. Focus point, you can shift focus to different areas of the image. The edge dilation adjusts the sharpness and prevents weird distortions. And the depth map advanced the editing for professional 3D effects. And once you're satisfied, export your final animation. And that's it. Now you know how to use the Immersity AI to create stunning 3D animations effortlessly. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.